Okay, it's 4:30 in the morning, and I'm just going to do some testing and see if I can get any EMF readings or EVPs. One thing I noticed that with the EVPs, I don't actually hear them on my digital camera until I've actually downloaded them onto my computer. Anyway, let's just turn on the actual K2 meter. Can anyone, if there's anyone in this room, can you flash the actual light on the K2 meter to let me know that you're here? Is there anyone in this kitchen? Did you used to live in this house? If you did not live in this house, just say no. My name is Roy. Do you have a name? Can you tell me what your name is? Can you make any noise? Any bangs? Knock on the wall? Just make any noise that can let me know that you're here. Can you try and make the lights on this K2 meter flash? I know someone is here. Can you please give me a sign that you are here? Just make a noise. Just walk up to this meter and make the lights move. Do you come here often? Okay, well, I'm assuming that no one's here. So what I'll do is I'll say goodbye. Do you want to say goodbye to me before I go? Okay, I'll say goodbye then. Yeah, goodbye.